Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how I unzip my file folders and take the SVG out to upload into Cricut Design Space. I just have a little forewarning for you. I have my own 4 kiddos at home. They're 3 friends, my giant Great Dane of a dog, and a cat running around here. So you are going to hear a lot of my beautiful chaos. I am sure of it in the background. But I am a mama first, mompreneur second, so I am sorry, but I'm not sorry. Anyway, so if you are willing to listen to some of that, then here we go. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is to find your zip folder. So it has this zipper on it, making it really easy to spot. And you just want to open it up. So just double click that, at least that's how I do it on my computer, and then double click the file that's inside of the zip folder. And then you want to find the one that says SVG. Not all of them are saved that way. I save mine no matter if I'm selling them on Etsy or if it's a freebie on my website at meganplus5.com. I always put what they are at the end so that it's easier for you to find. So for Cricut Design Space, we are going to use the SVG. So we just want to take it, click it, hold it down, and then pull it out of that file folder. And that's it. That's how you extract an SVG to then now you can upload it. Okay, so we're going to pull up Cricut, and I don't like these grid lines, so I'm going to take them off because they're distracting. Okay, there's 2 ways that you can upload this. So the first way, you want to click upload. The first way that you can do it, click upload image, and then just take the SVG that you just extracted out of that zipped folder and drag it and drop it into that thing. It's going to take a second because there's a lot of pieces to this SVG, and then just hit continue. And then you can put whatever words you want here so that you can find it later. I don't usually mess with that, but you can if you want. And then just click save. So I've recorded this video a couple of times, as you can see. For some reason my audio was being weird, and then I just wasn't happy with the way I was recording it. But that's okay. Okay, and then now the second way that you can do it is just click upload image, and now click browse. And I save everything on my desktop so it's easy to find. And then I just want to find the 20 uplifting word bundle SVG, click on it, click open, and it's just going to take a second. And then click continue again and save. Okay, now you have, these are all the exact same SVG files. So you can click on it, click insert image, and it will pull it up here in Cricut Design Space on your canvas. So these are all individual SVGs. Well, it's an SVG, and these are all like individual words on here. And how you get those to be individual is you just ungroup them, because Cricut automatically groups them whenever you insert them onto the canvas there. And you can just delete the ones you don't want, keep the ones you do, resize them, you know, whatever you need to do to them. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions at all, please ask below. You can reach out also in an email, megan@meganplus5.com. Hang on, sweetie. Yep, hang on one second. Or just hop on over to my website, meganplus5.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.